Good afternoon to all. Here are the existing municipal ordinance of Kasiguran, Aurora regarding to fisheries. Municipal Ordinance number 03 series of 2016. An ordinance establishing the management, conservation, utilization, and protection of the municipality of Kasiguran and imposing charges, fees, and penalties for violation thereof. The Article 3 is for the color coding. There is here by the specified color for the boat fishing vessels navigating within the municipal water of Kasiguran, Aurora, which is golden yellow with striped blue color. The design label of registration CXX-000AU.P. For aquaculture, size of entire level inches and height and width 24 inches to 36 inches. For the stroke of the letter, 1/2 inch. Print label, orange print in black. Position of label, 2 inches from the top and 6 inches from the color code. And for the printing of color, 1 meter starting from the top of the bow. For both extended bows, 1 meter area counted from base of the extended bow. Registration level shall be done by LGU. The exemption from the color coding. Bangkas, non-motorized, used for feeding inside the fish ponds. And government patrol boats must contain readable marking on with a banner. Article 4, Registry of Fisher Folk and Registration of Fishing Boat Vessel. Registry of the Fisher Folks and Registration of Fishing Boat and Vessels. Section 7, Registration of Municipal Fisher Folk through Office of the Municipal Agricultural, the OMA, maintain the Registry of Municipal Fisher Folk. Section 8, Registry of Fishery Boat, Fishing Boat Vessel. The municipality, through the OMA, shall likewise maintain a registry of municipal fishing boat and vessel by type of gear and engine horsepowers, and other boat particulars with assistance of the MFRMC. Procedure and requirements for the Section 9. For the Registry of Fisher Folk. Basic requirements. Community tax certificate, barangay certification, registration for Fisher Folk, fill up registration form. For the procedure, the secure basic requirements, appear personally for picture taking, signature of the OMA. For the Section 10, procedure and requirements in obtaining registry of fishing vessel, the basic requirements and the procedure and issuance of registration. And for Article 5, fees for the registration and fisher folks and registration of fishing vessels. And Article 6, permit license. For the Section 13, no person, partnership, cooperate, association, organization, or cooperation shall be allowed to undertake any kind of fishing activities in the municipal waters, including coastal areas, without first obtaining the appropriate. And Section 14, procedure and requirements in obtaining permits and licenses. Fill up documents and requirements. Submit documents and requirements. Community tax certificate, barangay police clearance, proof of registration, ID, proof of payment. Ocular inspection of the fishing boat. Fishing gear and for stationary gear. Submit proof of payment to the OMA, issuance of permit and or license. Section 15, permit to operate fishing gears and accessories. Bottom net, gill net, or the sinker, 1,000 meter and below above 1,000 meters. Stationary bag net di largarete, 5 meters deep water and below 2.6 to 8 meter water depth. 3 to 9 meter water depth below. Fish corals, 3.5 meter depth, 6.8 meter depth, 3.9 to 11 meter depth, and 412 meter depth deep above. For the fish pot or the bubu, multiple long line, hook line, and octopus lure line, kitang, birabira, and bating. The drip gill net, the floater, sarudsod, fish cage, 12, the fish cage for the fish cage, 12 square meter and below, 24 square meter and below, above 24 square meter. For the fish shelter, the payaw, oyster culture, 25 square meters and below, 5,000 square meter and below, and above 5,000 square meter. And for the Article 8, prohibited acts and penalties. The Article 8, including the section number 18, unauthorized fishing on engaging in other unauthorized fisheries activities. No person cooperate, association, form, on corporation shall exploit, occupy, produce, breed, culture, or gathered fish prize on fingerlings, or engage in any fishing activities in municipal waters of Casiguran, Aurora without license, permit, or lease. For the section 19, fishing and marine protected areas, fisheries reserve, and fish sanctuaries. Section 20, use of fine mesh net except the catching bangus, fry, and dilis. Section 21, use of the active fishing gears. And the section 27, mere possession, dealing, selling, buying of dynamite, paraphernalia. It shall be unlawful for any person who possesses, sell, and buy dynamite, paraphernalia such as but not limited to blasting cap, other explosive and chemical compounds which contain combustible elements. The section 28, fishing by the use of compressor. Section 29, farming seaweeds without license or permit. Collecting endangered, rare, or threatened species. Section 31, obstruction to navigation. Section 32, catching or capturing and possession. Section 33, gathering and possession of breeders, spawners, eggs, or fry of bangus, prawn, and other endemic species, except for research and aquaculture purposes. 34, taking, catching, selling, processing, or transporting gravid crabs, crablets, and pair of freshwater streams. Section 36, commercial fishing in the municipal waters and other fishery management areas. Section 36, introducing deleterious substance to the aquatic environment. Section 37, construction and operation of fish, corals, strap, fish pens, safra, and fish cages without permits and any license. Section 38, obstruction to fisheries law, enforcement officer from performing duty. 39, use of superlight. It shall be unlawful to any person, group of person, cooperate, and corporation to engage fishing with the use of superlights and defined in this ordinance within the municipal waters of Kasiguran. And Section 40, conversion of mangroves into fish pond or any other purposes. 41, taking, sailing, transferring outside of the municipality or having possession for any purpose. 42, obstruction in defined migratory paths. 43, use of unofficial, unprescribed color coding of motorized and non-motorized. Section 44, towing of boat vessels, doing illegal fishing activities, transporting illegally caught fish, mangroves, coral, sea grasses. 46, gathering, processing, and transporting of sea grasses species except for research purposes and exhibit. 47, unauthorized fishing of engaging municipal fisher folks to engage in other unauthorized fisheries activities. 48, commercial fishing vessel operators employing unlicensed fisher folks or fish worker or crew. And 49, in municipal waters, poaching in municipal waters. And for the section 10, penalty and clause. Section 50, if before court proceeding a violator apprehended in connection with an prohibition under Article 7 of this ordinance, confessors accepts and implies in ordinance and waives his rights to all in court, he may allow to pay an administrative fine as low as first offense 2,000 pesos for violators upon his application for administrative sanction. Second offense 2,500 pesos for violator upon his application for administrative sanction. The habitat offender, filing of appropriate charge in court. And for section 51, violator may be allowed to obtain the release of the fishing that promise of non-habitat violation is manifesto and approved by the chief executive, provided further that a water is executed starting that he is no longer interested to obtain the release of his fishing paraphernalia and donated to the local government of Kasiguran to be used for technodemos research and activities. That's all. Thank you.